Hello friends, myself Dr. Prashant More. Today we will discuss about what is vaccine and how it works. Before that, we should understand how our body responds to any natural infection. We are surrounded by thousands of bacteria and viruses. We are alive because our immune system works day and night. When some bacteria or virus enters in your body, this pathogen replicates in your body and causes disease. When this pathogen enters in our body, our immune system starts working. The white blood cells are produced in larger amounts. The macrophages engulf the pathogen and eliminate seeds. There are also some specialized cells like B cells or T cells. These are specialized. Suppose these macrophages are not able to handle the infection, they activate these B cells or T cells, give information of the pathogen to B cells or T cells. Now there are lakhs of these cells. These cells identifies the pathogen, identifies the antigen and produces lakhs of these cells. Now these cells attacks this pathogen and eliminate it. After entering pathogen in the body, until its elimination, it takes lot of time to identify the virus or bacteria, then make the antibodies specific to that bacteria or viruses that is produced by these B cells and T cells, and it takes times. During this time, this natural infection may sometimes cause severe infection in the body or sometimes death of the patient. Now there comes the role of vaccine. Now in vaccine, the part of the bacteria or virus or its inactivated version or is less virulent, means less pathogenic version is used in the vaccine. In vaccine, this inactivated part of the virus or bacteria or is injected into the body. This is not able to cause the disease, but it has antigens. Our body activates our immune system. B cells, T cells produce antibodies, and this information, that what kind of this antigen is stored in your body, that memory remains in the body. So this memory helps us to fight this infection in the future. So thus we get the immunity against that particular virus or bacteria. That can be acquired by two ways: by natural infection or by acquired immunity. In natural infection, by the natural infection of the virus or bacteria, means we recover from that disease, our body stores the information about how to fight against that bacteria or virus. So in future, if we have infection, then our body responds and is able to eliminate the infection before causing disease. Now vaccines works in the same way. When vaccine is injected into the body, our body fights against it, then produces immunity, and this immunity helps us to fight in the future if such kind of infection occurs. The only difference is that by natural infection we can produce the disease and it may be severe, may sometimes cause death. But if the vaccine is given, it doesn't cause any illness, it doesn't cause any complications, only it helps the body to identify that particular virus or the bacteria because it inactivated or killed, or it is only the part of the virus or bacteria. So in future, if you have disease, your body will act swiftly and will eliminate that infection. Therefore, vaccination is very important. It has eradicated smallpox in 1980. The cases of the polio also are very less in the world. It is in the phase of elimination from all over the world. Also, there are the vaccines for measles, pneumococcus, influenza virus, swine flu. These vaccines saves a lot of people all over the world every year. If you have any query or question, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.